Here we are, another video. We're at our technically second field. We drove to the first place I wanted to hunt. A guy with 2 dogs was in there. Respectfully, I left, found a different field to set up on. But, you know, we're out here rooster hunting again. So we put up the gas money and drove 45 minutes out of the way where nobody really is. We're going to hit another field. It's not as popular. I don't think it's as good. I think me and Ginger seen 2 hens out there last year. We're going to go work it anyways. We're just trying to get off the beaten path away from all the hunters. There's a lot of guys on public land this year. The pheasant numbers were up. They increased 20%. So it's kind of just, yeah, it is what it is. But we're out here getting it today. There's your intro. Subscribe, like, share it with your friends too. Thank you guys. We'll see ya. Oh, shit! No way! No way! Ginger! No bird, baby! Oh, I took some feathers out of him. Damn it. Shit. Damn it. Good girl! Good girl! Damn it. How did he not die? Good girl. That's a good girl. Ah, shit. Give me a heart attack, Ginger. Good girl. Let's find some more. Hi, Doodle. You want a drink? You doing good? Alright, come on, let's find some birds. Oh, they just want a pheasant. Okay, they're out there. There's a hawk out there, Ginge. There's a hawk trying to get him. Gosh damn it, Ginger! You're too far! Here! You, oh my gosh. Gosh damn it. It is all flooded. Cool. My shoes are soaked. I'm soaked. That's cool, I'm wearing leather shoes. Shite. Well, it is what it is. Hen, good girl. Good girl. That's a good girl. Yeah. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. That's a good girl. Hen, good girl. Good girl. Watch out for the fence. Lots of henny hens this year. That's good. Come here, Ginge. Come here. Here. Come here. Good girl. Good girl. Such a good girl, yeah. That was good. Who's a good dog? That's a good girl, yeah. You found them. Their boyfriends wasn't here though, huh? Say the boyfriends wasn't here. Maybe they'll be further down. You guys pick up your trash, man. There's honey bun wrappers. I don't know what the hell this is. The coconut edition Red Bull. Mickey. Alright guys, let's do a recap of this first field. First flush on that one rooster was phenomenal. Ginger did a great job. I missed the first shot, hit him the second shot. Do you guys think that I should have let her chase down that bird? The part where it went into was private and it went quite a ways. I don't know. You guys tell me your opinion. The second bird she flushed way too far. I think her shock, or not shock, stimulus collar is dead. So I don't really use the shock on it. I more or less use the beep. She knows that means to come back, that she's getting too far. And the third one that we seen was busted up by a hawk, but that's not too bad, so. And all the hens, she did a good job with the hens. The hens were nice close. I wish they would have been roosters. Those would have been nice clean shots, but things don't always work out the way you want them to. So I'm happy with the results we got. We didn't end up with a bird, but still a good walk. We still seen some birds, so it's good. Public land around here is getting hit really hard this year. There's a lot of people pheasant hunting. I think it's because they advertised it on the news and the wildlife page for the DOW. I went to another place this morning and there was a guy and 2 dogs already out there. So I was like, let's get off the beaten path. Let's use up some gas money and drive like 30-45 minutes from there, and it paid off. I mean, we've seen birds and we got to shoot, so not too bad, guys. Yeah, that's my recap for the first field. We're gonna head to another one down the road, kinda. We're gonna see how that pans out for us.